Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Katie Sweeney. Mindful walking meditation allows individuals to release their worries and help them bring peace to their body and mind. It is a simple technique. It is most successful when individuals stay in the moment. It is a form of meditation that incorporates walking. It benefits our psychological and physiological well being. Walking mindfully develops the parasympathetic nervous system. When a person is in a bad mental state, feeling anxious and unsettled, the sympathetic nervous system may take hold of the individual. The individual might start breathing heavy. Their heart may begin to race and their pulse rate increases. Mindful walking meditation may deactivate the sympathetic nervous system and allow the parasympathetic nervous system to return individuals to a relaxed state. There are many individuals that could benefit from mindful walking meditation. Anyone who is experiencing stress as a result of their mental state or certain physical ailments would derive a calmer state of being from this technique. These individuals may have anxiety, depression, high blood pressure, and sleeping problems. The benefits of walking are well known. The more active we are, the lower the risk of coronary heart disease, high blood pressure, stroke, type 2 diabetes, metabolic syndrome, colon and breast cancer, and hip or vertebral fracture. Walking also increases chances of higher cardiorespiratory and muscular fitness, achieving and maintaining weight, and conserving a healthier body mass and composition. The steps for implementing mindful walking meditation are simple. They are as follows. When preparing for your walk, you need to pick a place that is convenient. You should do mindful walking in a safe place where there is enough room to move. What is great about this technique is there are no tools or equipment required, just somewhere to walk. You can do this routine anytime, anywhere, indoors or outdoors. It can, it can fit into anyone's daily routine, and I recommend it become part of your daily practice. You will walk in a straight line for about 5 minutes. If you don't have enough room to walk, walk as far as you can in the space you have selected, and then turn around, returning to where you began walking. Because I am videotaping this, I will be walking back and forth as I describe the technique. Stand straight with your feet together and with your hands in front of you. It is helpful and safe to have your eyes looking in front of you and down. This will also help with your focus and balance. Now, I won't be having my eyes in front of me and down the whole time during this because I'm demonstrating the technique. Start walking slower than you normally would walk. Be mindful of every step you take. Pick up your left leg and begin walking slowly, feeling your left foot hitting the ground, feeling the surface underneath it. This is followed by your right leg and so on. Walk normally with your feet evenly apart. Pay particular attention to the lifting and dropping of your feet and the movement of your legs, as well as the pressure of your foot as it hits the ground. Make each of your steps intentional. Taking small steps. Taking small steps will help you maintain your balance. Maintain awareness of your senses as you walk. While walking, focus on your breath and the sensations you're feeling throughout your body. How do your feet feel? How do the other muscles you are using feel? Become more aware of your surroundings. Listen for the rustling of the leaves as the trees blow in the wind. Smell the grass and flowers around you. Bring these things into your awareness and then let them go. Stop walking. Breathe in through your nose deeply and out through your mouth. We will do this 3 times. Thank you, everyone, for participating in this activity today. I hope this technique can help you each in your daily routines.